Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a very quick Dollar General haul. A few food items, pet items, and some house items. So let's jump right in. I picked Connor up this ham and cheddar Lunchable. A package of Fuego Takis. I don't know how he eats those. They had some Easter stuff out and I thought we'll just go ahead and grab a couple things for Easter for him. So these bubblegum eggs and this row of Kinder chocolates, and they're so cute. Chicken, frog, little chickie, a bunny, a lamb, and another chickie. How cute are they? And picked up 2 of these cat foods. Kit Kat is doing well. And some house items. I knew if I found these in my store again, I would purchase these. Today they had the Island Escape scent and a lavender scent from the LaColors brand. And these are scent boosters only for $1. You get 12 ounces and these are the LaColors brand. You really cannot beat this deal. And I didn't even need these, but I saw them in the store, so I picked up another package of those. And the other day, last week, we deep cleaned the entire house, and I had the thought to myself, I need some new cleaning rags. I need some stuff like that to replace my old stuff. So today, they had some dollar stuff at Dollar General in the dollar aisle, and I picked up this microfiber cloths. And you can use these in kitchen, bathroom, clean whatever you want to with them. They're $1 for 2. They had them in a lot of different colors. And they are so incredibly soft. So soft. And then they also had these kitchen towels in lots of different colors as well. And I just picked the purple because I love purple. And yeah. And still same, you know. And this is a kitchen towel, but I'm going to use this for like a cleaning kind of rag thing. And it has like this teal accent going all across the bottom there. And then, last but not least, beautiful, beautiful dish towel. And this was $1. And there's mushrooms, butterflies, flowers, greenery, all some of my favorite things. But I wanted this for my stove because it says, enjoy the little things. And that is definitely one of the things that I'm always say. I always have that saying in the back of my head. I have a t-shirt with this on it. Like, I love it. It's enjoy the little things. Enjoy the little things. So, yeah, I'm super happy about these finds at the Dollar General today. And I had to share them with you guys. And this is amazing, by the way, if you haven't tried it. So that is all. And I hope you guys enjoyed the small haul. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.